Welcome viewers, in this video we'll see the details about the union available in the C programming language. Subscribe the channel for more videos and notification. Soft copy of this material available in the drive. The link is given in the description box. Now we'll go to the topic union. So we know that structure is union is related to the structure. Structure is a collection of different type of data that are related data. For example, student detail, employee detail, like that. So while compare with the union also is similar to the structure, some special characters are available. So we'll see union in a C is a special data type available in C that allows storing different data types in same memory location. In structure mean different memory location will be allocated. Here the only one memory location will be allocated. The data are overrated. So we can manage the memory space while using the union. Very frequently used data means we can use the union. For example, railway reservation, passenger name, designation, source, like that. So many data are available. So the data are overrated. No need to store all the data while booking the ticket. So once the data is processed, we can store another data in the same location. So that is the concept of union. But in structure, the data are different memory locations are allocated. You can define a union with many members, but only one member can contain a value at a given time. Right? So we can define the union with so many numbers. For example, 5 data types available mean the last which one we are access that member, the data only stored in the memory. Right? Only one member can be contain a value. That is the advantage of the union. Whatever may be 5 or 10 variables, only one variable will be available. Union provides an efficient way of using same memory location for multiple purpose. Right? So same memory location is the advantage of the union while compare with the structure. Now we'll see the sample program. Example program for C using union. First we'll create the union. Union is the keyword. The union name is student. We are creating the union for student. Then open the brace. We can declare the variables here. First is character, name 20. So the name of the student. Character, subject 20 characters we can store. Float, percentage. Then close the brace, semicolon. So we can close the union. So this union contain 3 variables. Name of the student, subject name, percentage. See this name of 20. So the 20 location will be allocated. 20 characters. Here also 20 characters. Float mean normally we need 8 bytes. So already 20 is allocated. So no need to allocate separately for percentage. So maximum memory location here what we need is 20 bytes. So it will allocate 20 bytes. In this only one 20 byte will be allocated. In that we can store this data. First either we can store name or subject or percentage. So only one memory location with highest storage where we need, that is allocated. It's not allocating different memory location for these 3 data. Only one memory location is allocated. Maximum of what we need is 20. Now we can start the main program. Integer main, open the brace. Then we can create the union variables. Union student record 1 is the first variable. Union student record 2. This is the second variable. Union variable. Right? So in record 1 we can store one student data. In record 2 we can store second student data. Right? Record 1, record 2 refers the 2 set of student data. Now assigning the value to record 1 union variable. We are not getting the value from the user. Directly we are going to assign the value. strcpy, this is nothing but string copy. Record 1 dot name. Record 1 dot name means first student name. Record 2 dot name means second student name. So we are storing Raju. That is string copy. This Raju is copied in the name record 1 dot name. This Raju will be stored here. Similarly, string copy record 1 dot subject. First student, subject detail. mathematics, max. So max will be stored in the subject with record 1, that refers first student. Then record 1 dot percentage equal to 86.50, right? So these three data are now stored. So what will happen? In union, only one memory location is allocated. So while copying the record 1 dot name, Raju will be stored in the memory location. While copying the subject, Max will be stored in the same memory location, overwritten. Raju will be overwritten and Max will be stored. Then while storing the percentage 86.5, this Max also overwritten and 86.5 will be stored, right? So first Raju will be stored, that is overwritten by Max, that is overwritten by 86.5. Now only 86.5 is available in the memory. These two are overwritten. Now we'll print the data so that we can able to understand. Print of union record 1 values example. So name percentages refers string, record 1 dot name. Subject percentages, record 1 dot subject. Percentage of floating point, record 1 dot percentage. So what will happen while printing this? Here nothing will print because only percentage is available. 86.5 only printed. These two data are overwritten. So these two data not available. It will not print these two data. Only the percentage will be print. We'll see the example. Output we'll see. While output we'll see that what will happen, right? So these two are not printed. Only these two, the final percentage will be printed. Now we'll go to the second student. Assigning value to the record to union variable. Print of union to record examples. Now we'll see one by one. String copy record 2 dot name. Record 1 dot name refers first student. Record 2 dot name refers second student, money. So money will be stored in the variable name in the memory location. So immediately we are printing the value. Name equal to percentage is record 2 dot name. So this money will be printed. Earlier we printed at the last. First we assigned the value, then we printed all three variables. So that first two variables are not displayed, only third value is displayed. Now money is stored, immediately we print the name. So that here name money will be displayed. Now string copy record 2 dot subject physics. Now we are going to store the physics in the subject in the same memory location. Now the money will be overwritten, physics will be stored in the memory location. But money already we printed, so no problem. So here also we are going to print the subject detail. Subject percentages record 2 dot subject. Now subject equal to physics will be printed. Now physics is available in the memory location. So after printing record 2 dot percentage equal to 99.5. Now we are storing the percentage of the second student as 99.50. So this physics will be overwritten in the memory location. 99.5 will be stored. That is also immediately printed. Print of percentage of, that is the floating point, record 2 dot percentage mean it will print 99.50. So in example 1 we assign all three values, then we printed all three values, so that finally stored value only available. In sample 2 we assigned the value, immediately we are printed the value, so that we will get the all outputs. Now we will see the output of this program. See this union record 1 value example. Name, so nothing will be printed. Subject, nothing will be printed. Only percentage is printed, right? So the name is stored in memory location, that is overwritten by subject, that is overwritten by percentage, so that we are getting only percentage. Union record 2 value example. Name money, because once stored the value, immediately we printed, so we are getting the output. After printing we are storing physics in the subject name, so that also immediately printed. After printed only we store the percentage 99.5, so that also printed. So for understanding purpose we have two different examples. One is all three values are stored, then we printed. We identify that only last value is printed. In second example the values are assigned, immediately we printed one by one, so that Before overwriting, the printing was done, so that we are getting money physics as a output variable, 99.5 also, right? So in this program we discussed what is mean by union, how it differ with the structure, that is the single memory location. Managing the memory location, we are using union, and we discussed with the example program with the two different structures, two different method, that is storing the data then printing, storing the data and immediately printing, so that we can able to differentiate what is the output of two sample programs, two sample examples. Subscribe the channel for more videos and notification. Soft copy of this material available in the drive. The link is given in the description box. Thank you for listening.